many, yeah. So we have wonderful things, wonderful surprising things over here. So next surprise is going to be the real boom. Okay, he's an amazing action taker. He's young. Okay, he's into absolute fix. I just love that name, absolute fix. He's none other the own action taker right now over here, Arvindam Bose. He's a certified digital startup coach, 6+ years in corporate experience, worked in Amazon, Tally, Flipkart, founder of Turbo Service. And his mission is to help 1 lakh corporates and working professionals start their own digital business in just 4 weeks. This is amazing. So over here, we have an amazing person. Chandra, I think this is really going crazy. At just 10 minutes to 12, we have people who are really energetic over here to share their inputs. So big hands for them, a big hands to Amplify, and also to World Trade Organization. Thank you so much. So what's your input?
It's very engrossing. Like people are so much engrossed into all these topics, right? So really it is, it gives me very much happiness, and I am eager to listen to Arindam as the other participants, other audience, right? Please go ahead, Arindam. We are eager to
Yeah.
know how
So,
you're going to transform us as well.
Especially in
yeah,
4 weeks.
yeah,
I'm
in
just
Yeah.
4 weeks.
letting
Exactly. So, I think I'm clearly audible, correct? Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
first thing, I want to thank each and every one of you, and it's around midnight, and we are like still live in Zoom, so that's like a lot of energy, and I really love that. And the best part of this total collaboration is that we have like more than 220 speakers who are giving their inputs. So I'll keep it very short. Uh, as I'm a digital marketer, I'll not be going into so much of detailing about digital marketing and all these things. But I'll keep it short for you. While I was working on Amazon, something really clicked me, and the reason I'm showing you today is, while I was working on Amazon in Bangalore, what happened was that I was going for a walk around with my friend, and I realized that we are working so hard to earn money. Like we are working like 10 hours a day, 20 hours a day. We have some corporate pressures and all these things. But what if we could, have a passive income or maybe a full source of income with very simple ways. So on this transformation day, the topic which I chose is how to make your first KDP and earn $1,000 a month in one-time automation. Like any person without any kind of automation, without any kind of knowledge can do this. And for me, transformation day is giving somebody that knowledge that they can implement right away after this live session. For me that like that is the transformation which I want. Like anybody, the speakers, the listeners, anybody can just go through this and they can implement it right away in just another half an hour. So the topic for today is that how to make your first KDP in Amazon. Because I was working in Amazon, I know about the Amazon algorithms and everything. So the topic for today is very simple. Trust me, I am not a techie and I don't like writing books. But what if I can make easy money? So I like to make things very easy. So the topic for today is making your first $1,000 with your first KDP in Amazon. So what is KDP? KDP is okay. So the topic for today is this KDP. This is Kindle Direct Publishing, and what are the action items which you need to do in the next half an hour if you want to do this, and you can start earning money as soon as possible. So what is KDP? KDP is basically a platform where Amazon helps content people and creators make their own content and sell it in Amazon. The good part of Amazon is that Amazon is the world's biggest customer-centric company, and we all know that. So just imagine you have a platform of more than billions and billions of customers across the world. You don't need to have any shop, you don't need to have any kind of employees, you don't need to have any kind of any personnel who is going to make you money, and that is for me freedom. I work according to my wish. I can log in, I can, everything is in automation mode. Okay, that is for me freedom. So if I'm a person who has no techie and I want to become a digital marketer, so there are various ways to become digital marketers, and there are various number of ways by which you can also earn money in a very systematic and a very simple manner. So out of that, I chose this topic as KDP. KDP because anybody can do it. So how do you do that? So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing about okay, and before I start with that, while I was working on Amazon and Flipkart, I'm also a certified Meta as well as a Google coach. So I've been certified from Meta as a social media marketing coach, as well as from Google as a project management coach. So as I said, what is KDP? KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing, and the best part is that it is your digital asset. We all like to create assets. So and the world is going digital. So why don't we create assets that will be lasting us for a long time, and it's going to give you a passive source of income. So while making your KDP, it's very easy, and no prior experience is required, as I said before. And within like starting off, it'll take you an hour to make it. But if you have the right framework and the right software to do it, and the best part is it's absolutely free, so you can make your first $1,000 using a software which is completely free, without even investing 1 rupee. So that is my agenda for today, so that the listeners and all the people who are going to be hearing this in the future can also make money. Yeah. Okay, and the best part of this, you can make the KDP, the Kindle Direct Publishing, in any sort of a language, from English to Spanish to German, and you can sell this to international clients. And the best part is Amazon has a store exclusively for you. You don't have to purchase any kind of a building or an asset to make your own business in Amazon. And people are making thousands of dollars using KDP, and I'm also one of them. So with that experience, I'm going to share this. So in this KDP, you can see that there are various types of ebooks which you can create. Any kind of it can be like a puzzle, it can be any ebook, any maybe a scrapbook, maybe a notebook, maybe a diary, anything you can make out of it. That is the beauty of this whole KDP, and Amazon is giving you that opportunity. That Amazon is the world's biggest customer centric company in the world, and it has a customer database which is beyond any company which has. All right, and Amazon is making a lot of money by this selling KDPs, and and they give us royalty for that. So that is the beauty of this. If you know this, we can tie up with Amazon as a KDP content writer or a publisher, and we can also earn money out of it. So the first thing what you need to do is it's a free software which is called the Book Vault. It has a 3-day trial version, but trust me, if you have the right algorithm and the right aesthetics, one day is good enough for you to make your first KDP. So you can register to this. It's a software. You can go to Google and search on that, and you can type Book Vault, and you can register for free. And once you register, what happens is you go to this page. The beauty of this product is it has already a KDP spy, means it is going to spy for all the top booksellers in Amazon, and it's going to help you out and it's going to tell you exactly what kind of a books you want to make. I'm not a book writer, and I hate writing books. It's going to take me a lot of time, but my philosophy is work smart and earn money. So I make things simple, as I said. So this KDP spy is going to really help you to tell you that what kind of a books or niche which we actually in the digital marketing world. If you are a entrepreneur, if you are a coach, you are a pregnant woman, or any niche which you have, and you want to write a book on that, this software is going to make it for you. And you're going to just do it once, and you're going to just forget it. That's all. So this will give you the idea, the whole amount of sales that book is making in a month. And then you can just understand the algorithm of the book and make it your own using this simple software. So once you select the book, then inside the cover you can choose the different types of notepads or the ways you want to actually make the book. You want to make a diary, you want to make a gym instructor books, you want to make a puzzle, you want to make a informative book, whatever sort, and as many pages as you want. You can make a 20 pager, you can make a 30 pager, you can make a 70 pager, 100 pager. That's completely up to you. The only thing is that you have to understand what the market wants, and you just make the book. So once you make the book, the beauty of this is that what is the next step? The ultimate goal is to earn passive income selling books on Amazon. As I said, that we are not here to write a book. It takes about, I have heard some speakers who are telling about writing books, and it takes about a year, 6 months, 4 months, and we really lack back. We really don't have the time, because writing a book, It's a lot of effort. So here is for those people who want a passive lifestyle while working, or while they're working. Like I was working on Amazon, I felt that I could do something better in my life. Why don't I make something much more? So this is going to really help you to have a passive lifestyle income. And in affiliate marketing and in this digital marketing, there are multiple ways to do it. I can give you like a 50 top ways by which you can actually make money. It is also said that uh, you can also make money while you listen to music. Means people who are generally, people hear in YouTube 2-3 hours of music, but do you really know that you can earn money through listening to music? That is the beauty of the game. You can earn money reading books. There are softwares, there are sites which gives you that liberty, and you can earn in dollars. So without even any prior experience, if I just read like half an hour a book, I get paid. And that's a reality. People don't know it, but it's there. I watch a movie on YouTube, I make money. So next time when you watch a movie on YouTube, you should know how to make money on that. So that is the beauty. So make all those digital assets which you have as a source of income, so that you always have multiple passive incomes without creating systems, without creating big landing pages or email marketing. There are a lot of ways to see. That's a different part of it, but my agenda for here is today to help you make passive incomes. All right. So yeah, just a moment. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just keep it short for you. This is a very small video. Register to BookVault. Choose the different kinds of ebooks which you want to publish. Do some research on that. Go to Amazon.com. Don't go to in or de or any other marketplaces, because .com has the maximum number of marketplaces in Amazon. And once you register to Amazon, you can go to the link which I'm sharing below. This is a link. This is an Amazon KDP URL link, which I'll show you right away. So this is the link, the kdpamazon.com /us. It helps you. This is a place where you can sign in using your own Amazon account, and you can start publishing your ebooks, and you can reach to millions of readers on Amazon. And there are various different types of niches which you can make books on. Like you have business and investing, you have comics, you have graphic novels, you have KDP kids, Kindle. And the beauty is that it has millions and millions of users. You can make, you can, if you can, it's easy to sell 100 books, 20 200 books, 300 books easily on Amazon, because there are customers who would be coming to purchase your books. The only thing is you need to understand the market, and that's easy to do, because this book vault which I was talking about right now has a KDP spy. It is spy for you. And apart from that, yeah, just a moment. Yeah, that's all about me. And apart from that, I also have this free source guide which you can use. This is the same presentation which I'll tell you. You can also contact me on my email ID and my in my LinkedIn handle, as I cater to working professionals and corporates. So I am always more active on LinkedIn. And I'm the founder of Turbo Series. Why do I call it Turbo Series? Because I love speed. And as I said, in 4 weeks, so there are multiple ways to earn money within 24 hours. So what about speaking of the 4 weeks? So I think I have kept my commitment on making your first $1,000, which you can make in exactly 24 hours if you start right now. So I will stop here. And if there's any questions which you have, you can always uh, tell it to me right away, and I'll have to help you out in that. Yeah. And over to the hosts.
You stop sharing,
Yeah,
Arindam, or you want to?
just a moment.
Yeah, people can.
Yeah, is that okay?
Oh, it's amazing, amazing. Yeah, we never knew. I never knew that you can make money by listening to music from YouTube and all that, right? And whatever you have shared, your knowledge, definitely I think it will be helpful to many people to do this KDP by creating the ebooks and then publishing it in the Amazon, and then you can start earning the passive income. Because like what you said, no, or some of the earlier speakers told, no, you work for 25-30 years to start to earn this capacity. But if there are good means, smarter means, to do passive income, why not, right? So this was a very wonderful and excellent sharing, right? Hope people will start following that.
I just want to add one more thing is that generally what affiliate marketers or digital marketers think is that there are only very few multi sources of income, but there are so many different ways. Like means if I had more time, I would have 100 ways to make money. Like listening to
Right.
music, watching means whatever we do, like watching a movie, like means we watch movies on YouTube, right? But there are people who make money with that. Dollars they're earning, and we don't know about that. So
Correct.
listening to music, reading books, and all those things which we do on a very free time.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That is the
Because
beauty of
when
digital
when
marketing.
other people watch your videos, no, you will start earning money. That's what I understood about YouTube. But when you watch something, you earn money is the first time I am hearing such thing.
Yeah.
And you know what? Today is World Transformation Day, Sunday. Okay. And this is like around 12 o'clock, 12:08. Amazing transformation that's going to have.
Yeah, that's what. We are still brimming with energy. That's what I am. No, I don't feel tired at all.
Yeah. And yeah, please, I love you to share your last slide once again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Yeah.
Let people take the screenshot, no, and then they
Is
can
it? Is it?
reach out to you.
Is it? Can you see the screen?
You can put it in the
Yeah.
full mode. Yes, yes.
Amazing, Arindam.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I mean, like, this is a golden nugget, for people who actually want to, as I said, fail fast to achieve fast. So when you say that you transform people in the next 4 weeks, I think people who are all on YouTube watching this, they'll be eagerly waiting for you for your calls.
See,
Amazing.
what I want you to do is right now, just implement it right away and you'll earn money. What about people who are watching? You can do it right now. So I was thinking of a thing which can really implement in within next half an hour. So I thought of this plan because this is real transformation which you can do it right now. And if I can make some bread and butter to people passively, then that is my achievement. So that's why I call this the turbo series, like faster ways to go to your goals, like in a very fast and a very strategic way to make your own freedom, financial
Right.
freedom.
That's an amazing achievement. That's an amazing achievement, Arindam. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I wholeheartedly thank Amplify and World Transformation Day, because of whom we are getting so many nuggets over here, so many ideas over here. Okay, it is like the Shark Tank, all the startups and all the ideas what we are getting over here are amazing. And I'm a huge respect to WTO and Amplify, and of course all the speakers over here. We still have more speakers over here. Please, thank you so much, Arvind.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Amazing, Arindam.
Very much, very much, very
Happy
valuable.
World Transformation Day.
Thank you so much, and I really thank each and every one of you for like giving me this opportunity to speak. Yeah, thank you so much.
Sure, sure.
I'll
Yeah.
just stop my screen. Yeah,
Yeah, yes, yes.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we are still brimming with a lot of energy, right? We have a few more speakers to go. So
This Arvindam's thing was just like an energy bullet for me.
yeah, right.
Awesome, yeah. So yeah,
Right.
so we have our next speaker over here.